I don't want to scare him, Alex. Alex, you're going to scare him away. These are my kids watching the woodpecker. Alex, don't scare him away.
Oh, there's another one.
Another one?
Yeah.
What do you mean another one?
It's way down the woods though. It's way down the woods. You can see it.
Okay.
See his head. He's way down the woods, Mom. Can you see him better?
Don't. You're going to scare him away. Alex, you're going to scare him away. Please don't.
It's better. I can see another one. It's coming this way.
Where is it?
It's at the other. It's at that tree that fell down over there. It's at the tree that fell down. Way over there. There's a tree that fell down. It's right over there. Do you see it, Elena? Do you see the other one? Come right here. You'll see it. I see it. It's just a tree. I don't care. There's so much wood.
It's going to fly away. Oh, it flew away. It flew away.
Because it's 8.
No, he might be back.
No, I bet you he was full. They go from tree to tree. Like Alex said, maybe he went to see the
Let's see what kind of hole did he make in that wood.
Okay. An adventure in the woods. He's going to be mad. Come on. What the heck is this? Some woodpeckers are really mad. Whoa, look at all that. Whoa. Look at all this wood that he chopped down. That's what he made, looking for bugs. The woodpecker made that. So while we're here, why don't we explore, huh? Oh, there's another one.
I can hear another one. Let's see what kind of hole did he make. Wow, look at these holes that he made.
Oh man, look at all that. Whoa, look over here what he chopped down.
Look at that
He chopped down
hole.
some stuff over here.
Holy.
Mom, look at the giant woodpecker back here.
Wow.
Mom, right back here, there's a giant.
I have an idea. Why don't we go around looking for cool animals?
Mom, I see the other woodpecker.
I don't think I'm that adventuristic to
The
go
other
through the
woodpecker's
woods.
over here.
Please,
Mom,
please.
the other woodpecker's really close. It's over here.
Oh, I see him. He's now moved to the other spot. Okay, I'm going to try to zoom him. Hold on.
Where is he? Can you see him?
I can see him from here, Elena. He's right there. Oh, I see him. He's right there. Oh.
See? Right there. No, that's a different one. That's not the same. See,
It's a different one?
Yeah.
He's moving, but I can't zoom him that good.
Well, why don't we get just a bit closer? Come on, we're far.
No. Oh. Hold on. Where did he go now? Oh, okay. There he is. I got him. Alex, you're going to scare him away.
Well, I'm trying to adventure.
Guys, don't scare him away. Alex, you're too close to him.
If you come from here, you can see an amazing woodpecker.
Ooh, did you hear that?
Yeah. Come here, and you can see an amazing woodpecker hole on. Holy shit.
Where?
Here, there's an amazing hole.
Hole?
Blue. There's an amazing hole. Just come here and you can see the most amazing hole. Come here. A woodpecker made it. You can tell. Just come here.
Let me see. Look at that hole straight ahead in front of you. That hole that the woodpecker made.
Which hole?
Come here.
Oh my. Where?
Oh yeah.
Where? Where,
Mom?
Mom is out.
Mom, where? Mom, where is it?
On the tree.
Which tree? This one? This one? This one?
No, the big one.
Which big one? Whoa!
Right there. You see this hole?
Yeah.
There it is, right there.
There it is. I'm gonna go
That's a
explore
big hole on the tree that the woodpecker made.
explore it.
Beautiful.
Let's explore for more woodpeckers. Let's see another woodpecker. Come on. Mom, we're just going down here. What's under there? That might be a good place for a woodpecker.
Do you see him?
We're close. Mom, we're close. Oh, I see it.
I don't want to go any further actually. I can hear him, but
Coming from this way.
guys, well, if you get too close, you're going to scare him. I don't want to go that close. Hmm.